found one technical glitch in our pagination. Let me show you what I found. So I'm on this page is equal to 3. So if I go to my page 1, it's working fine. If I give it page is equal to 0, it's still working fine. If I give it page is equal to -1, it's still working fine. So if I give it page is equal to nothing, I'm getting this error, a non-numeric value encountered on line 159. So if I remove this whole search query parameter of page, it's still working fine without any error. It's using the default query. So if I give it some parameter which is not defined, like oop is equal to 4 or 9, you can see that we are not having any error. But we have one error at the time when we are giving it some search query parameter page but not putting the value, and that is having this error of non-numeric value on line 159. So we have to make sure our pagination should not have the empty value as a search query parameter, otherwise it will going to give you this error. So let's remove this bug. So right here in the forward button, you can see that I have this if condition if my page is equal to set. So with this one, I will add another function, and that is using the empty one. So I will have if my page is also not empty. So I can add the and symbol here. So what I'm saying here, if my page is set and my page is not empty, by using this not symbol and using the and operator. So if my page is set and it's not empty, then show me this forward button. So now if I save this one and refresh my page, you can see that page is equal to nothing, but we are not having that error anymore. So clicking on 4, it's working completely fine. Clicking on 3, working completely fine. Also the forward button to navigate. Next. So it's good to check your code with different scenarios so that you will not run into a technical problems.